From AccuWeather.com, this is AccuWeather Daily, a brief host-read article. It's weather news in a nutshell. The Eastern Pacific is on a tropical tear, with 5 tropical storms already this season, and a second hurricane is on the way. AccuWeather meteorologists believe that Tropical Storm Erick will rapidly strengthen over the next couple of days. It will quickly reach hurricane intensity and become the strongest tropical cyclone in the northern and western hemisphere so far this year, before approaching the southwestern coast of Mexico. On the heels of Delilah, Tropical Storm Erick formed off the coast of Mexico early Tuesday morning and is forecast to become the second hurricane of this Eastern Pacific hurricane season in a matter of hours. Now, this is the earliest fifth-named storm since July 9th, 1956. The average date for the fifth-named storm is July 23rd. Now, this season is well ahead of the historical average pace with 5 named storms. Now, typically, the fourth tropical storm does not form until mid-July, and the average date for the first hurricane is not until June 26th. Barbara briefly strengthened to a hurricane back on Sunday, June the 8th. AccuWeather lead hurricane expert Alex Da Silva said that he believes Erick will rapidly strengthen into a powerful Category 3 hurricane prior to nearing the southwestern coast of Mexico. It may track very close to Acapulco with the full impacts you would expect from a hurricane, ranging from powerful wind gusts and power outages to torrential rain and flash flooding, as well as storm surge flooding. Now, factoring in the possibilities of intensity, track, topography, and population, the AccuWeather Real Impact Scale for hurricanes with the current rainstorm is a 3, but that could climb based on how quickly and how much Erick strengthens and exactly where it approaches the Mexico coast. Barbara peaked last week as an entry-level Category 1 hurricane while well offshore with maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. Now, this new storm is forecast to eclipse that intensity as it approaches the coast and populated areas. How much rain and wind occur to the north and east of the center will depend on the amount of strengthening prior to landfall later this week. Both heavy rain and gusty winds will reach Mexico in advance of the center of the storm. Enough rain is likely to fall in parts of southern and southwestern Mexico along the coast and over the interior mountains to cause dangerous flash flooding and mudslides. Strong winds will buffet the coast, generating large swells, big waves, overwash on the beaches and shoreline, and dangerous rip currents in the surf zone. AccuWeather meteorologists expect 14 to 18 tropical storms for the Eastern Pacific season, with 7 to 10 becoming hurricanes. Of those, from 3 to 6 will bring direct impacts to Mexico and Central America. In the wake of the 5th tropical storm this week, yet another tropical rainstorm may unfold west of Central America prior to the end of the month. Meanwhile, vast areas of dry air, dust, and winds are disrupting development of tropical activity in the Atlantic basin. There have been some showers and thunderstorms in the area in recent days, but no organization has occurred. And as Da Silva says, any tropical rainstorm or depression that were to form in the area would likely not spend much time over warm water, and hence its lifespan would be brief. That's all for now. You can find more regional forecasts and science-based articles at AccuWeather.com. And for your local forecast at your fingertips, download the AccuWeather app. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe. I'll be back tomorrow with more from AccuWeather.